Hello. So right now we're gonna have a date. We just dropped off the kids. We did a little bit of grocery and now we're at the Palm. So first off, we're gonna watch a movie. So umorder kami ng drinks namin, matcha. And we'll have our brunch inside the cinema. First time after a long time na magde-date kami ng bebes ko. So see us until the end, guys. Picking up our milk tea. Gongcha. There you go. One down. Okay, so we just got our milk tea. Now we're heading off to the cinemas. We're heading off to the cinema. So we're gonna be watching Final Destination Bloodlines. Enjoy. Alright, we just finished watching Final Destination and grabe, it was really gruesome. Pero
Grabe,
ganda,
mangyayari.
ganda ng twist of events. So, we'll see you at the golf course.
Yeah, go lang. Kaliwa ka. 10.
Alright, continuation of our date after movie. Golf time. So we're starting off at hole number 10, back 9. And this is my caddy for today, my lovely one. Siyempre, what a wonderful day to play golf. See you in the end.
Dapat siguro 5 times lang, hindi 10. Ready?
Alright, so medyo pangit yung tinanong natin second shot. Tingnan naman, may nakaharang na puno dyan. Okay, that's the pin right over there. So I'm gonna hit it up top the tree. I'm gonna use my sand wedge.
Ayos.
Lumusot. So I got it. Tumama sa branches pero lumusot siya. I hope it's on the green. We'll see. Alright, like I said, it's on the green. Oh my god. Ayan yung pasok ko. From that tree. From that tree, it went to the green. Now, my caddy will do the putting. Okay, she's reading the line. She's reading the line. Ito, bumukha ka. Tingnan mong straight. Pero mong straight yung bola mo. Kita mo may linya yung bola. Oops! Oops! Oh my god, we got a par! We got a par on the first hole. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. We got a par. Nice. Woo, par on the first hole. Good job. Alright. Looking good. Par on the first hole.
We're at hole number 11, par 5. Hole number 11 on the tee, Bernardo. Kumaliwa. Okay, go. Yun.
Nice. On the fairway.
On the fairway, sa puno banda.
Kila mo?
Ha. Third shot, hole number 11. Nice.
Layup na lang yan. Layup.
Fourth shot, hole 11.
Go. Bitin, sayang. On the fringe. Not good. Okay lang. Alright, putting par. Pwede mong straight yung bola. May line yung bola para alam mo kung saan yung straight niya. Nilakasan mo yan, ha. Nice speed. Kulang, sayang. Okay lang, go. For bogey, putting bogey. Control lang, ha. Ay, bitin. Okay lang. Go. For double bogs, not bad. Goods. So nice putting from my bebes. We got double bogey, not bad. 3 putts, goods na yan. So we're off to the next hole. Ano mo sa'yo, Bes? Do you like this kind of activity?
Yes.
Yeah?
I thought it was boring, but it's fun. It's good. I'm enjoying it.
Good exercise. Good for your health and mental health.
This is hole number 12, par 3. Oo nga eh.
Diba?
Go.
Habit ka. Okay, so the pin is right over that small hill. So simple chip lang.
Nice. Muntik na.
Muntik pumasok. Okay, so that's where my ball went. Medyo malayo sa pin. Bit of ways from the pin. Kasi pababa eh. So putting par, I mean. Go, Bes. Pataas yan, ha. Nice. Oh! Okay lang. Yan, mahina lang yan, ha. Pababa yan. Kita mo yung linya ng bola? Ito, pwede mo itutok yung linya ng bola eh. May linya yung bola. May linya yung bola. Yung bola mismo, tingnan mo yung bola. May linya yan. Itutok mo siya sa hole para doon alam mong anong stroke gagawin mo. Okay, pating bogey. Sabi na eh. Okay lang. Huwag ka kasi mamadali. Gamitin mo kasi linya ng bola para alam mo kung paano, kung saan mo siya titirahin. Di ba may linya yan? O tutok mo yung linya sa butas para yun yung way na titirahin mo. For double bogs. Lakas bes. Nagigigil ka eh. For max. Max na yan.
Max na to?
Pasok mo lang. Okay na, max na. Yan mo na.
Ayang. Nabati.
Kasi ko madali.
Hole number 13. LM on the tee. Ganda. On the fairway.
Good.
Nice. Hole number 13. Shot number 2. Tira ka? Okay na yan, no? Doon ka napunta, boy. Okay lang.
Behind, sayang.
Yan o. Third shot. Hole 13. Doon naman oh. Shot, fourth shot. Hole 13. Yun.
Puno. Pero wala akong mga tira ko sa iron ko. Yan sana, layo sana.
Fifth shot.
Pating bogey. Medyo malakas yan ah. Nice. Kaya kailangan basahin muna yung terrain. Double bogs. Your wife. Okay. Nice! Ooh! Okay lang. Okay. Triple bogs. Nice one! Good job!
She's better than you guys.
This is hole number 14. LM Dial on the tee. Sa yellow tree. Second shot. Hole number 14. Di ba matamaan sila? Meron dun oh. Madaan. Nice. Bitin lang. This is third shot. Hole 14. Nice one. Baba, 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 baba. Go, 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 go.
Nice one. For par best.
Talaga.
Alright. For par. No pressure. Lakas. Sabi ni. Sige lang. For bogey. Diyan na lang kasi. Wag wrist. Shoulder. Light touch lang. Wag gigil. For bogey. Okay lang. Yeah. Double bogs. Nice. Goods.
Hole 15. Par 3. Tumira ka na pala agad.
Tumulong lang, pero okay lang.
Hindi ko masyado nakuhanan yun. 2. Shot 2. Hina.
Okay, patting par. Ezra's reading the line. Nakita mo na may line? Tignan mo kung magbe-break siya left to right, right to left. Dapat siya doon siya tumatama sa gitna ng ano. Kita mo yung ano white dot dun sa ano, putter. Hina na baby. Okay, go. Pating bogey. Ganong speed lang din. Ay, hindi, medyo mas mahina sa ginawa mo kanina. Kasi medyo pababa na yan eh. Sobrang hina naman. Double bogs. Shoulder lang, walang wrist. Triple bogs, max. Par 3, laging max ah.
Hole number 16. On the tee. Bernardo. Pero may naglalakad pa din. Second shot. Hole 16. Gumulong. Yun lang oh. Puno.
Mama sa puno ko.
Oo.
Rinig ko.
Shot number 4. Kinulang. Sa bunker. Fifth shot.
Ito nang lipad na oh.
Sixth shot.
Nabitin lang. Nabitin.
Kaya nga.
Diba?
Nice.
Okay, patting double bogs for resume. Good, 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 good. Stop, stop. Nice one. Good. Good shot. Good speed. For triple bogs. Ay! Lumabas, sayang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Ganun lang, ganun lang. Double bogey. Goods.
Hole number 17. Par 4. On the tee. Mahanan ka. Oops. Doon oh. Sa block.
Lumabas.
Diyan sa block na ano oh. Sa lupa.
Dito lang.
Oo, dyan lang. Second shot. Sa ibon.
Tigas na.
We're shot number 3. Hole number 16. Dun.
Okay, good, good. Sayang, hindi lang yung diretso. Pitching par.
Yun, lakas. Yun. Stop, stop, stop.
Alright, we're now at putting double bogey. Ezra's reading the line like a pro. Like a pro. Shoulders lang ha. Yung stance mo. Medyo luwagan mo, lakihan mo malayo yan eh. Bend knees. Nice speed, nice speed, nice speed. Okay, good, good, good. Good yun. Putting triple bogs. Bend knees, wag straight. Yan. Oh, sayang. Ilang?
Sayang.
Quadruple bogs. Ha? Nice. Quadruple bogs. Good. Putting.
Hole number 18. Honda T LM. Kumanan ka, boy. Yun, sa gitna ng mga puno. Sa ano ba? Inaalis din yung mga dahon?
Oo. So yung mga yung bola.
Yun. Shot 3. Hole 18. Yun. Hindi bumaba.
Lakas. Okay, putting par for Ezra. Medyo long way to the pin. Ito na mga 40-50 feet. Nice speed. Nice speed. Nice. Good, 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 good. Ayun. Okay, Ezra reading the line. Preparing her ball. For bogey. It's a long putt. Ay, kaliwa. Kitang-kita dito eh. Double bogs. Wag wrist. Shoulder ang gumagalaw. Pag grease kasi ano yan eh. Yung grease mo, steady lang yan. Tutulak. Oo. Oh, nice one. Triple bogs. Alright, so we're down. We're done with our round of golf. Back nine. We did back nine. So, what can you say, Bess?
Happy. I'm happy. I enjoy it.
Yes, my 18th hole. Enjoy the round of golf. Now I'm gonna enjoy her. See you guys next time.